nice painting. This is like a Renoir. Nature Boy Ric Flair. Hollywood Hogan. Pay-per-view. 29th of this month. Super Bash. It's going to be great. Not going to go off. I'm not going to... I know there's a lot of kids watching. I can't use any colorful metaphors. No swear words. No cussing. Going to keep it clean. Hogan, you've done some things to me in the past. I've done some things to you. Let's let bygones be bygones. Wipe the slate clean. Let's have a fight in the center of the ring. No foreign objects. No foreign objects. No cheating. No outside interference. That's the way it's going to go. You're Hogan, I'm Flair. To conclude this interview, I'm not gonna go off. To conclude this interview, Hogan, you, me, Super Bash. Woo! I'm gonna break you too, Hogan. Woo! Break you into. You betrayed my son. You kissed my wife. You pile drive my daughter. I'm gonna break her too. 2 + 2 = 4. 4 husband. Woo! 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 Hogan, I'm gonna wrap you up. I'm gonna beat you up. I'm gonna send you to your mama. Woo! I'm gonna take this. Why are you doing that stupid ear thing? I'm gonna lay it around your neck so you can't. Oh, my face! Help me! Help me! Help me! Hold me! Oh, do that one more time. I'm taking a break. You're gonna be what I'm hugging. Woo! 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 See this, Hogan? Oh. Chop! Woo! The knee! Ah! Hogan, you ain't gonna be hulking up on me, Hogan. This interview has come to an end. Thank you, appreciate it.